Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. If you have been tagged, this is your free tarot reading video post. However, this may also resonate with people who were born under the sign of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Five of Wands, maybe you're in a very combative state na parang gusto mong makipagsapalaran, gusto mong makipagkumpetensya, parang ayaw mong magpatalo. And this issue may be connected to two of wands in reverse. So maybe may napagdesisyonan ka na, tapos yung naiisip mo is kung sinong kokontra, parang i-defy mo, handa kang ilaban yung decision mo, whatever this may be. Now, let's see what is this all about. Decision about what? Okay, judgment reversed. So, maybe merong opportunity na nagbabalik. Pwedeng opportunity sa love life, sa finances, investment, career, opportunity to travel or to migrate, relocate. Bottom of the deck is Two of Pentacles. So, maybe may opportunity ulit na sumugal sa isang bagay na parang kakailanganin ng budget. Maybe you would like to go back to school. Maybe I'm hearing matanda ka na. So maybe this is about school or maybe this is something na parang hindi naswak sa'yo kasi matanda ka na. Aside from school, ano pa ba? Maybe you would like to go back performing, singing, dancing, ganyan. Or to pursue a course na parang hindi ka naswak sa larangan na yon kasi matanda ka na. Pwede ring this is about child or conceiving na parang gusto mong itry ulit. However, whatever this may be na parang dinedefy mo, wala akong pakialam kung sang-ayon kayo sa akin o hindi. Gusto kong itry ulit, andito yung opportunity sa akin na parang binibigyan ako ng kumpas na pwede ko nang pasukin ulit, pwede ko simulan ulit, pwede kong sugalan ulit. I will do it. Now, let's see, what do you need to do about this? Kasi parang ang tigas ng ulo mo regarding this matter. Hierophant. Okay, so this may be something na parang pinangako mo sa, parang patriarch. Pwedeng matriarch, pero lalaki kasi ang Hierophant. So maybe this is something na you promised someone. I'm seeing a deathbed. So maybe this is someone who already passed away. Tas parang pinangako mo na kahit wala ka na, itutuloy ko pa rin. Parang yun yung legacy mo sa akin, na kailangan may pagpatuloy ko para maging legacy ko rin sa susunod sa akin. So, let's say for example, meron kang gustong buhayin na negosyo ng family. Tapos pinangako mo sa papa mo, lolo mo, uncle mo, whoever this, parang someone na you look up to, na parang kahit na anong mangyari by hook or by crook, ibabangon ko to. Parang ilalaban ko to. Pwedeng negosyo ng pamilya, pwedeng maybe you're trying to retain a property owned by the family kahit na hindi practical, for the sake lang na dapat ang may-ari ng property na yon apelyido nyo pa rin. Parang ganon. Basta I'm sensing very passionate na dapat hindi ako susuko. Kailangan lalaban ko to. Parang ganon. Now, I'm seeing naman na wala ka talagang support. Two of Cups reversed. Parang bala ka dyan. You need funds. O, ikaw may gusto niyan. Ba't sa akin ka lumalapit? Yung ganon. Pero for some reason, I'm sensing na once, you succeed, or magkaroon ng progress kung ano man to, yung mga nangi-snub sa'yo, lalapit sa'yo yan. And also, Hierophant also depicts the zodiac sign Taurus. So, ang Taurus, the more mong kukontrahin, the more yung susunggab. So, parang parang binibigyan ka rin ng heads up na, especially yung Hierophant may cross, kasi Bible, kasi ang Hierophant is priest. So, as long as you believe na this is something na gusto mong gawin kasi malinis yung intention mo, at saka parang meron ka ring foresight na baka in the future kakailanganin ng mga next generation ng family mo. At saka parang hindi naman selfish yung intentions mo, and I would like to say kapit lang. Pray ka lang. Especially I'm being drawn to the cross sa card. Parang kung ano man yung kakailanganin mo, kung hindi mo mahahanap yung suporta, may it be moral support, may it be physical or financial, whatever. Kung hindi mo yan mahahanap sa mga inaasahan mong magpo-provide ng support na yon, God will provide you. Kung ano mang kailanganin mo, pray ka lang. Especially parang ngayon, parang naiiyak. So parang siguro ikaw nakikinig ka ngayon, parang ito yung confirmation na gusto ko, parang Lord, parang ganun. So pray ka lang. Parang kung ano man yung kailanganin mo, instead of begging na Lord, kailangan ko nito, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Parang have faith na kind ng prayer na parang Lord, kailangan ko ng ganito, sino magpo-provide, saan ko makikita, sino magbibigay, saan ba ako dapat pumunta. Yung parang inaasahan mo na, hindi yung hihingin mo pa. Kasi yun yung strongest na kind ng faith. And if you're going to do as advised, possible outcome, Queen of Pentacles reversed, there will be people who will try to look down on you and sa cause na pinaglalaban mo. Pero instead of feeling bad about yourself, try your best to make the Queen of Pentacles reversed as your inspiration. Na parang, sige, tawa lang kayo dyan. Pag ito na itawid ko, parang ganun. And Chariot, pag ito na itawid mo, tuloy-tuloy to. Yung mga hindi pumapansin sa'yo, yan ang unang-unang lalapit. Just have faith and make sure na hindi lalaki yung ulo mo, hindi ka magyayabang once natapos mo na yung gusto mong tapusin. Pero whatever this is, you're very passionate about it. At saka parang meron kang gustong patunayan, especially from male ancestor maybe, or elder na kaka-pass away lang. Parang pray lang, maitatawid mo to kung ano man to. Okay? Anyway, that's all I'm seeing here. If you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message. Okay? That'll be all. Bye.